So, if you're watching this video because you want to make good money on Etsy, right? That's what we're all about here. I'm going to go over forward planning, forward thinking, checking out the competition ahead of a time, sourcing products, 90 days in advance to make sure when you get them listed, right, you're way ahead of the competition and you have, a good relationship with the Etsy algorithm, right? So look here, everyone is pushing for Mother's Day, right? But let's look at Easter. Okay, let's just take a look at Easter. So we got some nice little Easter decorations. Oh, Easter bunny. Oh, how cute. Super cute, right? Easter bunny hoodie. Okay. Oh, ain't these lovely? Right? How lovely. How lovely. So, how can you get on this? Right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go through here, pick some products that look cool, go through them, and see if we can get them sourced. Right? So we have a nice little one here. Boom, boom. Big store, probably their own UGC. Nice one here. Let's just see if we can find it on AliExpress. Okay. Might not be able to. This might be a print on demand or, another thing like that. But no. Here's the t-shirt version. Okay. So what we do now, Star Seller, family custom t-shirt. Let's take a look. So they're not currently selling because it's not Easter, but they've got it up because it's forward planning, it's forward thinking, right? They are every single day, they are ranking in these terms to get ahead of the competition, right? And they just let it sit year round, okay? Like, look how well their store is doing lately, okay? So you just pull up the calendar, look for upcoming holidays, look at upcoming events, and try and get out 60, 90 days ahead of it, right? Like we're thinking about Christmas already. We work with businesses thinking about Christmas. January, they're planning next Christmas. Okay, so look how easy it is to source. Okay, and there's the okay, that was a Christmas one. My bad. There's the Easter one. You see, but also just doing this, right, is showing you so many other products that you could use too, like Stand With Ukraine merchandise. Whenever a problem like that happens in the world, like elections, like any kind of a big event, right, is a way to sell. Okay, any big holiday, big events, big football, sports, anything like that, it's money. Okay, it just means money, right? And then everyone and their aunts, right, are searching Easter. Starting in March, right? So we're in March now. Now it begins. Now, and then next one, boom. Now you're thinking of summer, spring, everything like that. You constantly have these. When you have something like this, it's kind of your own little Christmas, right? You can make Christmas come, 4 or 5 times a year from these little events like this, like Halloween, boom, right? So we've got Easter, then we've got the summer, then we've got Halloween, then we've got Christmas, and in between that there's Mother's Day, there's Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, it's all about forward planning. It's all about knowing what time of the year you're in, what's up and coming, what products sell well in these time periods, and you can do that through basic search, right? Super basic. What products do people buy during Easter, and it will give you a list, and then you go out and source them. And I've shown you with this extension here, it's so easy to do. And be sure to join the Discord, guys. It's discord.gg/Etsy. We've got a great community. And to dive into more detail about your listings, there's this tool here, Allura. You know, it's really great. You can analyze products that are currently on Etsy. You know, check out all of their marketing behind it. Check out the figures they do, how many sales, what kind of rev do they do, etc., etc. Right? So there is some really great products, and you know, so we've got Mother's Day coming up. That's you know, you won't be able to sell it now, but it's Easter. You know, it's Easter, and this is what you want to be looking for. You want to be getting your calendar up. You want to be looking ahead, and now we want to be finding more products. Okay, so it's Easter clothing. Okay, oh look, people buy a lot of baby clothes for Easter, for their firstborn, for their young children, for their people's first Easter. Okay, is that something I can do? You know, Easter decoration. People are buying stuff like this for their homes. Okay, this is going to be tough competition, but this one here, first page. Look at it, super basic, right? This one here, first page, they've only got one review, 38 sales. So you can get ranked. You know, this one here, okay, it's an ad, never mind. You know, so you just look through and see. Okay, so where was this one? This one here, right? So it's a birch twig tree. So what was getting them ranked? Just this. You know, they just had this one word here. Look at that, and it's there. So, you know, getting you ahead of the competition means you rank well. Like, that's how they made this product today, right? It got listed today. It's had 28 favorites today. Okay, it's a new store with 38 sales. Cocoa Gifts, right? And can we find it? Well, you can find similar products to it, right? All on AliExpress. Here's the product. There it is. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's the product. So it just goes to show how easy it is, right? And look at this. That's how you've done it. We've now just sourced a winning product for you guys right in front of you. How easy was that? So on that note, I'm going to wrap this up here because it's just so easy. Like, look, you know. So be sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And join the Discord if you are, you know, serious about Etsy. It's a great community. 2,000 people in there, all helping each other. So anyway, guys, I hope you have a great week, and I'll catch you soon.